Every morning you look in the mirror and think your hair looks fine. But what if I told you? Your daily routine is silently making you bald. Not genetics, not age, your habits. There are 5 tiny things most men do every single day that weaken their hair, slow growth, and destroy the follicles. The scary part? You probably do all 5 before 10 a.m. Number 1, overwashing. You strip your scalp of natural oils, thinking clean equals healthy. But those oils protect and strengthen hair. Wash every 2-3 days, not daily. Number 2, hot showers. That burning water feels relaxing, but it damages roots and weakens hair shafts. Switch to lukewarm. Your scalp will thank you. Number 3, towel drying. That rough rub pulls out fragile strands. Pat it dry instead. Treat your hair like your skin, gently. Number 4, ignoring what you eat. Hair isn't built from shampoo. It's built from protein, zinc, and biotin. Every junk meal you eat, your scalp pays for it. And number 5, stress. High cortisol levels literally shrink your hair follicles. Sleep, breathe, lift weights, whatever it takes to calm your mind. Because stress doesn't just gray your hair, it kills it. Fix these 5 habits, and you'll notice thicker, stronger hair in weeks. Small changes, huge difference. Take care of it now, before it's too late.